DecoNetwork makes it easy to move content around from one page to another. It's just kind of a simple trick. So let's say that we want this entire row, this layout, this image here, header, buttons. I want this same layout on another page. Well, it's more efficient for me to copy and bring this over to the other page than rebuild it. Not only is it faster, it'll have a more consistent look. It'll have better continuity. So how do we do this? Well, look at it this way. If content is in the footer, it's the same on every page. So the trick is clone this. So we'll clone it and then drag it into the footer. So you can see we have it down here already. And I know I'm in the footer because I'm in the blue. You can see the little blue shade. If I'm underneath that blue shade, I'm in the footer. And I can then go to a different page and drag this content out. So let's go ahead and do the same thing here. We'll clone this row. We'll drag it into the footer. I know I'm in the footer because I see that little blue bar. We'll save. We'll choose a different page. Let's just go over to like the hats page. And remember, if it's in the footer, it's on every page. So if we scroll down here in the footer, we can drag our content out of there, drag it onto the page where we need it to be, and voila. Sneaking content from one page to another is less about saving time and more about keeping good continuity. If you have any questions on how to do anything related to DecoNetwork software, simply visit our help articles and our YouTube channel. Thank you.